Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at the future weather in the UK and the next 2 weeks. So start with the ECMWF out to 240 hours. So firstly we can see right now northerly airflow, quite cold on Wednesday. It'll be 12 degrees in the south, maybe even below double digits in the north, so quite cold for this time of year. And then throughout the week until about the weekend, high pressure is still out there bringing northerly, but by the weekend it topples, more of the Atlantic dominating spell come into play, and over the weekend unsettled probably. Then by early next week, southwesterly airflow, and then by the end, southerly winds looking very warm. Let's see temperatures, yeah, 5-degree isotherm moving up there, very warm for the time of year. I mean, yeah, it's way better than late, so yeah, the models seem to be the past day they picking up on some hot spell. By next week some southerly wind, so yeah. Well, let's look at some other runs. Let's look at the GFS. So GFS got same into this week is North Atlantic Ridge, northerly airflow, and then it topples by the weekend, more unsettled by the weekend. Into next week it develops southwesterly into Monday, and then by middle next week southerly airflow, warm air again, very warm with GFS as well. By later next week as well, for Friday. Yeah, very warm. So 10-degree isotherm there, very warm, which is good because the last week has been quite cold and not too sunny. So it looks like summer, the real summer is going to start from then. So let's look at the GEM run. Okay, so North Atlantic Ridge again, quite cold for the remainder of this week until the weekend, when we're unsettled, probably mid-teens into the weekend. And yeah, and then next week southwesterly into southerly wind, warm again with the GAM, more southeasterly now. Yeah, 10-degree isotherm again by later next week, middle next week. So yeah, looking very hot from all the models today, all suggesting southeasterly winds next week. Yeah, so yeah. Let's look at the ensembles. Okay, here's the ensembles for London. You can see into about the weekend, you can see temperatures start to increase into early next week, and then you can see temperatures start to rise by late next week, showing 15 degrees over the average, which is, yeah, it's going to be warm. Not even surprised if we hit 30 degrees there. So overall, the weather is looking like it's going to become warmer, more settled and sunny. So thanks for watching this video. I'll be making more videos soon. Like and subscribe. Bye.